Healthy aging, what does that mean to you? Hi, I'm Marilyn Zink, the publisher of the Herbal Collective and a certified nutrition coach. Now, in the September issue of the Herbal Collective, we talk about healthy aging and longevity and some things you can do about that. And one of the things is healthy eating. Now, there's two things we also cover, and it's telomeres and senescent cells. Now, what are telomeres? These are like the end caps of chromosomes in your DNA. Now, the people with longer telomeres, it's been proven, are going to age healthier and live longer. People with shorter telomeres, not so much. They're not going to age as well, and they're not going to live as healthy as well. So those are one important thing. The other thing is senescent cells. Now, senescent cells, kind of think of them as the sleepy cells. We get more of these senescent cells as we get older. And the senescent cells lead to inflammation in our body, cause more inflammation, and that can lead to chronic disease and disorders. Now, senescent cells aren't all bad, but there is a good side to them. There's an upside, and we talk about that in the Herbal Collective issue. So if you'd like to find out more, I'll post a link below where you can do that, or if you'd like to get a complimentary coaching call and find out about how you can have a diet that's going to lead to healthy aging, reach out, and I'd love to have a chat with you. Talk to you soon. Bye.